Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another tutorial, and this time it's by Little Touch by OGG. So O Girls' Generation. So this is their very first song of their second unit, and I will be teaching you guys how to do the chorus choreo as well as the very ending choreo, since it seems like a lot of people like the ending choreography as well. So I will teach both of them. Don't forget that you guys can always stop this video, take your time, pause, repeat, do what you need to do, and this video will be mirrored. So let's get started. So first we're gonna step out to the left. So from here we're gonna step out, and we aren't whipping, but feels like we are. We're driving the car, and our legs are gonna go in, out, in, out. So that's, and while we lean to the left. So all at once, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So after we go in, out, we bring our arms across our chest like an X, bring it, and we kind of sway to the right as well. So move to the right and move back out to the left, and we're making full circle. So after we come out, we lean to the right, we come out, and we come back to the left, and we come full circle. And when our hands meet, they kind of cross. And when we cross, we're not like literally crossing them, but it's gonna be a quick cross and flip. So they do this little like rotation, and it's really not that hard as it looked. So if you want to look at my hands, so my right is over my left, and when I roll up, I get back up to both hands facing like this, like prayer hands. So from here we cross and rotate, and there we go. So again, from the top, we're gonna go in, out, or across our chest, come around, cross, roll up, and then when we put our hands out like this, we're gonna have our palms out, not towards, not like this, but palms out, like this, okay? So when we do this, like hands up to down, we're gonna go lean, our hips are kind of to the left. So we're gonna come here, and then we bring our hands together, and then what we're moving is our index fingers only, okay? This one. So we're gonna go 1, 2, but when we do 1, 2, it's right, move our hips, right, left. Again, I know it's kind of hard to see how my hands are moving, but again, I'm only opening my index fingers, so we're going to go right, left. So from here we go, again, from our hands, we just rotate it up, and then we move, bring it down, and then we bring our hands together, right, left. And then once we go right, left, we bring our hands out like this, kind of like we're holding something. I think it's more, I guess you can think of it as like we're doing heart fingers, but it's a little like, I'm being chill, you know? And then we sway to the right. So we go right, left, sway. And then the next one, they say body. So is to be, so hurry up. So body, we go right, left, body. So after we go body, they say la 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 la. We take our right hand, right arm, go la 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 la, la 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 la. Okay, so 2 times. La 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 la. So I notice how I bring my right foot to the back, and then we do this twice. And then again, but this time it's not on the words. It's just 1, 2. And this time, these will be slower. You'll notice that when I dance along with the music. But afterwards, again, we just did la 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 la, and then we go 1, 2, go back, take our right foot back, and then we do the la 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 again. From here, okay, we're back to the front of the audience. Immediately, we take our right hand and we fold it down vertically. So it's not like this, but turn it where the palm is facing to the right. From here, we're gonna go down. So it goes out, in, out. But as we go down, this kind of slides up. So we go 1, 2, and our left knee should be up, right knee should be down, and then we kind of like, I'm so tired, hit, and then drop it. We drop our left arm, and then we push out. Make a little, I don't know, sun. It's not even a sun. It's like a little quarter circle with our right hand. I'm sorry, I repeated that move way too many times. After we hit, then we bring our hands together, but this time we're only doing one index. We are opening the index fingers. We go 1, and then we automatically sway. So again, from here, we go out, in, out, hit, and then we right, and then we go hit, hands together, index out, and we sway to the left. Now, they say ba li again. So as they say ba li, we cross right, left, while going up. Ba li. And then la, 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 la. Now this time, we go 1, 2, and they say give me a little touch. So for my hand movements, when I say give me a little touch, I'm taking my right arm and we come in here. So it's almost as if we're like kind of laying our hand on our right hand on our left cheek, but it's giving a little touch. Notice how I'm going in a circle with my right and I'm taking my left, just lay it on the back of my head. So give me a little touch. And that is the chorus. So if you guys just wanted to learn the chorus, that is, that's just the chorus movement. But I will keep on going and teach you guys the ending choreo. So after we do give me a little touch, we go like this motion with our right leg. So it goes out, in, out, in. We're gonna do this 4 times. So we're gonna go down, up, down, up. Again, we're gonna go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Notice when my right leg goes out, my right arm goes up, and then when I come back in, my left goes back in. So in fast motion, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna take our right leg and step in front, and we're about to face the left, but we're kind of moving our hips towards the left. And then the next one is another one of those face grabs, kind of. So again, we go down, up, down, step, and step. And then from here, we're gonna take our hands, kind of like hold them down together, and then we're gonna step with our right, and we're gonna lean, kind of shake. I'll show you it like this, but remember we're facing to the left. So we're gonna go shake right, shake left, shake right, shake left. So it's your shoulder goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So you're gonna do that 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember we're facing to the left, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. After we finish doing the 4 shakes, then we're gonna step with our right and move our hips from right to left. Again, I'll show you this way. We're gonna move our hips right to left. So after we come spinning hip spin, after we did this hip spin, then we face the audience and have our arms like this. So now we step right forward and left forward. And once we've done right, so it goes right and left, then we step out with our right foot. So our right foot comes shoulder width apart, and we come in like this, and we go slip up with our right arm, slip up with our left, and then next it's kind of like I don't know what you want to call it, but we're kind of just like swooshing something to the back, and then go swoosh, hit to the right, swoosh, hit to the left, swoosh, hit to the right, and then we go step, step, give me a little touch. So this is the ending pose. Do what you like, but it's kind of like a sultry kind of, give me a little touch. And that is the course. Now that we finished learning the choreography, let's do 75% speed and 100% speed. And let's start off with 75.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to click subscribe if you guys haven't already for more tutorials. I have an Instagram and Twitter linked in the description box below, and my Instagram, that is where I post my dance covers. So make sure you guys come and find me, Felicia.covers, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. And yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!